play Kids Bop.
Kids Bop is here. It's Kids Bop Super Bop with some of today's biggest hits. Sung by kids for kids.